Let me walk you through this one, because this is what it looks like when somebody pours $2 million in upgrades into this custom home in the Catalina Foothills and does it right. This is Casa Bella Vista on Catalina Ridge Drive, just under $3 million. And before you react to that number, walk through it first. Arriving through a private courtyard that opens to sweeping mountain views before you even get to the front door sets the tone immediately. Inside, soaring ceilings, walls of glass, and the views in two directions. Mountain to one side, city to the other. Custom Italian finishes throughout. The kitchen is a full chef's setup. Professional appliances, seamless flow into the living and dining area. This home is designed for people who actually use their space. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 spa-inspired baths. The primary suite is its own world. Breathtaking views, a sanctuary-style bath, the kind of room you don't want to leave in the morning. Then you step outside. A shimmering pool sets against the city lights at night. Lush turf, mature trees, 2 covered patios, including a fully appointed outdoor kitchen. Year-round outdoor living at Elevated. Let me show you what you're buying into when you buy into Skyline. Skyline Country Club is one of the original prestige communities in the Catalina Foothills. Homes built larger from 1980s through the early 2000s. That means larger lots, mature landscaping, and custom architecture that wasn't mass-produced. Most homes sit elevated terrace, views from multiple directions. Catalina Mountains to the north, city lights in Tucson Valley to the south. Some lots give you both simultaneously. Because this is an established neighborhood, resale tends to be more stable than newer luxury communities. You're not in all of the mercy of the builder's price decision or of a half-finished development around you. One thing I always want to clarify for buyers, membership at Skyline Country Club is optional. Their 18-hole golf club, tennis, dining, a full private club, it's all here. But you don't have to join just because you buy a home in the community. What you're paying for through the HOA is the guarded gate community, the maintained areas, and the neighborhood itself. The club is available, but not mandatory. Location-wise, you're about 5 minutes from La Encantada, Whole Foods, Starbucks, dining, and daily errands. Close to Catalina Foothills School District, one of the top rated in the state. Tucked back into the mountains, still quiet, still private, but not 25 minutes from everything. That balance is exactly why demand here stays consistent. Drop Skyline Tours in the comment and I'll send you the full details.